The Object tab is where you will find all the elements that make up your virtual showroom, including products, smart objects, fixtures, and media. This is also where you can add new items. By clicking on the Product button, you will land in a library. Here you can view your products in two ways, as a list or as a block. You can add a product by hand with the plus button. Once the EAN code is added, your product will be created. Then, you just have to set up your product sheet through the different elements on the right side: generic information, media, metadata, social links, or even add a 3D model of your product. Thanks to this, you can use augmented reality by generating a QR code to put in the social links part. Once the language is chosen, validate your product and go back to the library to see your new product. Each product can be modified by clicking on it. To sort this space, you can add folders, which you can then choose to make appear. Once in your folder, you can add products inside. The search bar allows you to find a specific product. The Sync button allows you to import products from your e-commerce API like Shopify, Magento, and many others, which you can set up in the Integration tab. You can select all your products or just one by one to delete them. By clicking on the vertical dots, you can share your product, upload it in different formats, or add an image. Next, Object. By choosing the Smart Objects, you find a library of your items as for the products. You can edit or delete each smart object or make folders to sort. The vertical dots allow you to do different actions: share, copy, import a thumbnail, or download the item. You can also see your smart object in 3D. Next, Object. For decorations or fixtures, you have a library very similar to that of smart objects. By default, you have many decoration elements, which you can see in 3D, delete or sort using folders. To import one of these three types of objects, go to the Object tab to select 3D Import, or you can go to the Integration tab, then 3D Import. Here many formats are supported to add your objects in number. Once you have put your document, press Next. Enter the different information and press Next again. Finally, validate your products. After a short time, it or they will be added to the platform. You will have the status in the category of the object and a notification in the upper right corner to follow its progress. Finally, the Media button will take you to a library of all your media. You can put a block display instead of the list and filter by media type. You can also add media. Create folders to drag media inside. You can change the name of each media or delete them.